Good morning, students. Today we discuss the third lesson in our PS textbook, that is the refraction of light at plane surfaces. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. Third lesson. In this lesson, now we discuss the relative refractive index. Relative refractive index. In the last class, we discussed the refractive index. That is the refractive index or absolute refractive index due to letter small n. It is defined as the ratio between the speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in a medium. So refractive index n equal to c by v. C by v. Here speed of light in vacuum. That is the value of speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second or 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Okay, refractive index n equal to c by v. We went in the last section, last class. Now we discuss the relative refractive index. Relative refractive index. Relative refractive index is also a ratio. This is a ratio between the speed of light in one medium to the speed of light in one medium to the speed of light in the another medium. The speed of light in the another medium, or the speed of light in first medium to the speed of light in second medium. Okay, the speed of light in first medium, let it to be v1. First medium, the speed of light, let it to be v1. Speed of light in second medium. Speed of light in second medium, let it to be second medium. Let it to be v2. Okay, let it be v2. Refractive index of first medium. Let it to be n1. Refractive index of second medium, let it to be n2. Here v1 is the speed of light in first medium, n1 is the refractive index of first medium. Here v2 is the speed of light in second medium, n2 is the speed of light in refractive index of light in second medium. v1 speed of light in first medium, n1 refractive index of first medium. v2 speed of light in second medium, n2 refractive index of second medium. Now the refractive index of second medium, that is refractive index of, this is the symbol of refractive index. Refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium, that is n21 means refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium, not n21. n21 means refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, that is the relative refractive index. This is the relative refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. That equal to speed of light in first medium v1 to divided by speed of light in second medium v2. Therefore n21 equal to v1 by v2. The speed of the relative refractive index n21, the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, is equal to the ratio of speed of light in first medium to speed of light in second medium. Therefore, relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium N21 is equal to V1 by V2. V1 by V2. Both numerator and denominator, here numerator and denominator is divided by C, speed of light in vacuum, divided by capital C. Both V1, V2, both V1 and V2, V1, V2 are divided by C, are divided by capital letter C. This is the speed of light in vacuum, divided by C. Now N21 relative refractive index, N21 refractive index of second medium with respect to the refractive index of first medium N21 is equal to both divided by the letter C, V1 by C by V2 by C, V2 by C. Okay, we know N equal to C by V, refractive index N equal to C by V by 1 by Cm, C equal to NV, normal medium, C equal to NV. You know N1 equal to C by V1, first medium, C by V1, N1 refractive index of first medium is equal to C, the speed of light in vacuum, it does not change, by V1. V1 is the speed of light in first medium. Therefore, C equal to by 1 by Cm, C equal to 1 Cc equal to N1 into V1, N1 V1, N2 by N2 equal to C by V2, N2 equal to C by V2. Here N2 is the refractive index of second medium is equal to C by V2. C is the constant speed of light in vacuum 310 meter per second. Therefore by 1 by Cm, therefore C equal to N2 V2. C equal to N2 V2. We substitute the here C is replaced by in first medium. C is replaced by C equal to N1 V1. C is replaced by N1 V1, and here this is C in second medium. In the second medium, this C is replaced by N2 V2. Therefore N21 equal to V1 by C, V1 by, in first medium C is equal to N1 V1. So C is replaced by N1 V1 by V2 by here C is replaced by second medium N2 V2. Here V1 cancel, here V2 cancel. That equal to 1 by N1 by 1 by N2. 1 by N1 by 1 by N2. That equal to 1 by N1 into this 1 by N1 divided by 1 by N alternate in into like అయితే 1 by N2 is changes into N2 by 1. N2 by 1. Therefore 1 N2 by 1 into N1. Therefore N21 relative refractive index is equal to the N2 by N1. N2 is the refractive index of second medium. N1 is the refractive index of first medium. The relative refractive index Now the relative refractive index. Now the relative refractive index, relative refractive index N21 is equal to refractive index of refractive index of first medium. This is the N2 by N1. Refractive index of first medium. Second medium. Refractive index of second medium. That is N2 by refractive index of first medium. That is N1. That is N1. So refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, that equal to refractive index of second medium to the ratio of refractive index of second medium to refractive index of first medium, that is N21 equal to N2 by N1. Here N1 is the refractive index of first medium, N2 is the refractive index of second medium, N21 is the relative refractive index of second medium to with respect to the first medium. N21 is the V1 is the speed of light in first medium, V2 is the speed of light in second medium. What is meant by relative refractive index? The relative refractive index N21 equal to speed of light in first medium to the speed of light in second medium. Therefore N21 equal to V1 by V2. Both V1 and V2 are divided by letter C. Here C is the speed of light in vacuum. So V1 by V2. No, N21 equal to V1 by C, V2 by C. We know N equal to C by V. Therefore C equal to NV. N1 equal to in first medium. N1 equal to C by V1. Now C equal to N1 V1. C1 equal to N1. C equal to N1 V1 in first medium. N2 equal to C by V2 in second medium. Refractive index of first medium C by V1. The C equal to N1 V1. Refractive index of second medium C by V2. C is the speed of light in vacuum. C2 V2. C by V2. Therefore C equal to N2 V2 in second medium. So here both C's are replaced by one C replaced by N1 V1. Here one C replaced by N1 V1. Another C replaced by N2 V2. Therefore V1 by N1 V1, V2 by N2 V2. V1 V1 cancel, V2 cancel. Therefore 1 by N1 by 1 by N2. That equal to 1 by N1 into reverse of the divider ఉన్నది into అయితే reverse అవుతుంది into N2 by 1. Therefore 1 into N2 by 1 into N1 N1. Therefore N21 is equal to N2 by N1. N21 is the relative refractive index. Relative refractive index N21 is equal to N2 is the refractive index of second medium to the N1 is the refractive index of first medium. Here this is the relative refractive index N21. Refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. N21 equal to refractive index of second medium to refractive index of first medium. That is the ratio. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.